Ready to ramp up your garden for 2025? Join me as I redesign my 2024 garden layout for an even more fruitful growing season next year. Let's get planning. This is getting ready for spring, part 3. First, I'm expanding my pathways from 12 inches to 24 inches. Last year, navigating the beds with my wheelbarrow was quite a challenge, and it was difficult to plant and maintain the beds with such a limited space. This change will give me more room to move around and make gardening much easier. Next, I'm planning the placement of my raised beds. These beds are for plants I don't want spreading throughout my garden year after year. Except for these 3 beds, all my other beds are in ground. Now I'm repositioning my back beds because their offset alignment with my front beds made navigating around them more difficult. This adjustment will create a more cohesive layout and improve accessibility, making it easier to tend to all my plants. My entire garden spans 2,100 square feet, with my bed to providing 1,200 square feet of dedicated growing space. This expansive area allows me to grow a variety of plants and maintain them more efficiently. Lastly, I'm evaluating my space to ensure everything is aligned so I can make sure I can accommodate the corn I plan to grow this year. I plant all my corn at once in the back of my garden to freeze over the winter. By checking my space now, I can be sure I have enough room for a bountiful corn harvest. I continuously adjust and realign everything to assure accuracy. This way, when I'm ready to head outside, I have a clear map of where everything needs to go. Here's a look at the before and after of my garden redesign. I'm really hoping these changes lead to a more productive and enjoyable gardening season for next year. Stay tuned for more updates and tips on my gardening journey.